Hey guys, so we are installing mulch. Step one of installing mulch is choosing the mulch. Sometimes it'll be client chosen, other times you'll be asked to suggest it. Today we're using a Douglas fir premium mulch, but you'll have colored mulches, large bark, this kind of wood mulch, cedar mulch, and there's different varieties, different areas, finer and thicker grade mulch. So step one on your mulch project is choosing and then deciding how much. So a good rule of thumb for a good 3-inch coverage is for every 100 square feet, you're gonna need 1 cubic yard. Step two on your mulch project is preparing the area. So we've got an area here that has already been leveled out and prepared with soil. The plants have been planted. So now we're gonna look to install the fabric and cut around these shrubs. So you can see now we've got our bed leveled and prepared with fabric, and we've put the pins in, the fabric is the right way up, and we've got a nice edge to come up to on all sides. So our next step is now going to be putting the mulch into the bed and spreading. So the first thing we're gonna do is on a larger bed, we would just dump the wheelbarrow in and then spread the mulch from there with a rake. It's important to know your access lines on larger beds. So if you are gonna be working way back there, you wanna dump the mulch at the back and work your way to the front versus dumping it at the front and then having no access and having to go over your freshly laid mulch. So we'll see how that's done here now. Perfect. So you can see we're gonna push out our mulch again. Some people will use a pitchfork for this to spread it a little bit better, but you're gonna push it towards the back of your bed and then just pull it out nice and level. You can see I'm using a smaller rake for this as the larger rakes would tend to clump up, but you're gonna wanna push it and you're gonna wanna be very delicate around your shrubs. Now, around shrubs, you're gonna more likely wanna be doing this by hand. So as you can see, Cece here will come through and she's gonna put in some by hand to make sure we don't damage those newly planted shrubs that we just put in. So you're just gonna take 2 big handfuls, put it down, and then lightly spread it around the shrub. The important thing is to not put it too high up the shrub because you don't wanna drown the shrub, but you just wanna create a nice bed, just exactly how that was done.